Hi guys, welcome to Sabonzi Academy. So in this video, we'll be solving the question 8 of the 2019 WASSCE Core Maths Theory questions. So question 8a. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses, construct I, the equilateral ABCD, such that the length of AB is equal to 6.5 centimeters, the length of BC is equal to 9 centimeters, the length of AD is equal to 4 centimeters, the angle ABC is equal to 60 degrees, and the angle BAD is equal to 120 degrees. II, the perpendicular bisectors of BC and CD. So let's move on to the solution of our question. So we know that the length of AB is 6.5 centimeters. So we draw our straight line. And this will be our A. So we measure 6.5 centimeters from A. And that should be our B. We know that the angle ABC is 60 degrees. So we construct a 60 degree at B. And the angle BAD is 120 degrees. So we construct a 120 degrees angle at A. Now this is a straight line. So we can divide the 180 angle into 3. So we get 60, 60, 60. So 120 will be 60 plus 60. So this will be our 120 degree. So this will be 60 degrees. This will be 120 degrees. And we are told that the length of AD is 4 centimeters. So with the help of our compass, we take a length of 4 centimeters from our ruler. And we stand at A and make an arc to cut the line at 4 centimeters. So that will be our point D, which is 4 centimeters. And then with the help of our compass again, we take a length of 9 centimeters from our ruler and we stand at D and make an arc to be our C, 9 centimeters. So we join D and C. So we have our equilateral A, B, C, and D. Now AII, we construct a perpendicular bisector of BC and CD. So we stand at B and open more than half of the length of BC. Then we construct our arcs. Then with the same length, we stand at C and construct our arcs. And we join our points. Now using the same procedure, we stand at D, make 2 arcs. We stand at C, make 2 arcs. And we join our points. So question 8b, locate the point of intersection T of the 2 bisectors in AII. So the point of intersection will be here. So this will be our T. Now with the point T in B as center, draw a circle to pass through the vertices B, C, and D. So we stand here with the pin of our compass. We open, construct a circle to touch this. So there's not a perfect circle, but when you do it with the right tools, you should get a perfect circle. Now D, measure the length of BT. So with the help of your ruler, you measure the length of BT. So you put the ruler here and you measure from B to T. So when you do it well, the length of BT should be equal to 4.9 centimeters. Now measure the length CD. So with the help of a ruler, you measure the length CD. So when you do it well, the length of CD should be equal to 5.9 centimeters. Okay, so this brings us to the end of question 8. Now don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. In our next video, we'll be solving the question 9 of the Core Maths WASSCE 2019 theory questions. Thank you.